First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo there is a lever that needs to be lifted upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Push this lever upwards and then lift up the hood. This hood has shock absorbers, so there is no support bar, and these shock absorbers actually hold on to the hood. That is how you open the hood. Once the hood is opened, this is behind the headlight, and right there is the low beam bulb. Grab the plug and then turn it anti-clockwise. Then with a little wiggle, pull the plug outwards. Right there is the bulb along with the plug taken out. There you notice is that tab. All we have to do is just slide that tab upwards. So we'll just slide the tab upwards and then pull the bulb outwards. Just like that, you would notice the bulb is taken out. Notice we never touch the glass portion of this bulb. If you ever touch it, then you have to wipe it out with a piece of cloth or a napkin. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, all we have to do is just punch in the plug in the bulb just like that, and then press the bulb all the way down. There it is, the bulb is completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug where we took it out from. While installing, make sure the plug is completely in. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Right there is a low beam bulb replaced. Same goes for the high beam bulb. We will turn the plug anti-clockwise first, then wiggle the plug a little bit to pull it outwards. There's the bulb along with the plug taken out. This time this plug is slightly different. This plug has a tab here. We will press that tab and then pull the bulb outwards. Just like that, the bulb is taken out. Again, we do not touch the glass portion for this. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. All we have to do is just punch in the bulb in that plug. Make sure the tab portion, which is right there, it matches with the tab portion of the plug. So we'll punch in the bulb in the plug and then press it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Bulb is installed. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug along with the bulb into the headlight. Again, we make sure the plug is completely in. Only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that. With that, we are done with the replacement of headlight bulbs. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. We lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.